Conic sections. Any curve produced by intersection of a plane and the right circular cone. The intersection can be circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola. Now let's discuss about parabola.
Parabola. Parabola is an open curve, a conic section produced by the intersection of a right circular cone and a plane parallel to an element of the cone. Parabola. A symmetrical open plane curve formed by the intersection of a cone with a plane parallel to its side. The path of a projectile under the influence of gravity ideally follows a curve of this shape.
Parabola has its vertex, axis of symmetry, directrix, focus, and standard formulas.
Vertex has two parts, the center at the origin and the HK. First, we have the center at the origin, and its axis of symmetry first is the y-axis, with its directrix y equals negative c, and focus 0 and c. And its standard form x squared equals 4cy. Next is we have the x-axis. With its directrix, the x equals negative c, and its focus c and 0, and standard form y squared equals 4cx. Now we have the center at the origin formulas. Next, we have the HK. First, we have the vertical. With its directrix, the y equals k minus c, and its focus is h, k plus c. And its standard form, x minus h squared equals 4c y minus k. Now let's go on to the horizontal. With its directrix, x equals h minus c, and its focus h plus c, k, and its standard form y minus k squared equals 4c x minus h. Now, these are the formulas that we're going to use in finding the parabola. It's either center at the origin or the HK. Now, let's exercise our mind through problem solving. We have here the first example. Determine the equation of the parabola in the standard form given its focus at 0 and negative 7 and the directrix y equals 7.
First, write the given. Focus 0, it's negative 7. directrix y equals 7.
Since our given is in y-axis, hence our y should be negative 7, following the formula y equals negative c.
Next, we have to find the standard form using the standard formula x squared equals 4cy. Next, substitute the given x squared equals 4 negative 7y, x squared equals negative 28y. Now, x squared equals negative 28y is the standard form.
First, we have this problem. Find the standard form of the equation of the parabola with focus at 10, 0 and directrix x equals 10. The givens are focus 10, 0 and the directrix x equals 10. Here our positive 10 directrix. We will change its sign into negative 10.
What formula are we going to use?
Y squared equals 4cx. After that, substitute the given values. Y squared equals 4 negative 10x. Why is our c is negative 10? It's because of our formula x equals negative c, thus our c here is negative 10. Y squared equals 4 times negative 10 is equals to negative 40x. Therefore, our standard form is y squared is equals to negative 40x.
Now that we know how to find its standard form when it's in the center of the origin. For the next example, we're going to find the vertex, focus, and the directrix.
For our next example, find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola given by the equation y minus 6 squared equals 12 quantity of x plus 5. When writing the ordered pairs, always write first the h, then k. Our h is 5 and k is negative 6, but you need to change its sign. So vertex, negative 5, 6.
Y is our positive 5 became the negative 5. First, y is always with k, while x is always with h. When writing the vertex, you need to change its signs. Hence, negative 5 and positive 6. Since our given starts with y and k, then our focus formula is h plus c, k. After that, you just need to substitute its value. Our h is negative 5 and k is 6. We don't have the value of c. So using the formula for c equals 12,
For c from the formula y minus k squared equals 4c quantity x minus h.
divide both sides by 4 and 4 cancel 4, c remains 12 divided by 4 is 3. Therefore, we have now the value of our c, which is 3. Next, negative 5 plus 3 is equals to negative 2, 6. So our focus ordered pair is -2 and 6. 2 represents the h and 6 is the k, or -2 is our x and 6 is our y. Next, let's find its directrix. Using the formula x equals h minus c. Our h is -5 and c is 3. -5 minus 3 is x equals -8. So now we have the directrix x equals -8. So our answer here is vertex -5 and 6, focus -2 and 6, and its directrix x equals 8. So that is how you find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola.
Now, I'll teach you how to transform general form to standard form. With our given y squared plus 4x plus 2y plus 9 equals 0.
The next thing to do is to arrange the givens. Because we have first the y, so our left side is y and then the right side is x. Y squared plus 2y equals -4x minus 9. Next is we have to find a third number from the y so that later on we can factor the given values. So we have to divide it by 2. So we're going to use the 2 and divide by 2 is equals to 1. And then squared it. So 1 squared is equals to 1. So plus 1 and then next to -9. Next is we can now solve the -9 plus 1. So copy the given. Then -4x, -9 plus 1 is equals to -8. So the possible factor value of y squared plus 2y plus 1 is y plus 1 squared. When using a FOL, you will get the answer of y squared plus 2y plus 1. And then -4x minus 8 factor is -4. Quantity of x plus 2. Now we have the standard form of y squared plus 4x plus 2y plus 9 equals 0. The y plus 1 squared equals -4 quantity of x plus 2.
For the last example, we're going to transform the standard form to general form. Given y plus 1 squared equals -4 quantity of x plus 2.
Y plus 1 squared can be written as y plus 1 equals -4 x plus 2. Using the FOIL method, we get the answer of y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals -4x, -8. The next thing to do here is we have to equal all the values to 0. So we have to transpose the -4x minus 8. So the -4x became a positive 4x and positive 8. Y squared plus 2y plus 1 plus 4x plus 8 equals 0. Next, since we have the same value here are the same whole number. So y squared plus 2y plus 4x 1 plus 8 is equals to 9, and then equals 0. The final thing to do here is to arrange the given. So y squared plus 4x plus 2y and then the plus 9 equals 0. So now we have the general form of y plus 1 squared equals negative 4x plus 2. So that is how you transform a standard form to general form.
Okay.